hope you're having a great day. So today I'm opening up the August Sprinkles and Wishes box. Look how cute that is. So if you haven't seen any of my past unboxings, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Every month you get 2 different wish bracelets, which are super cute. So they're like little threaded bracelets that have charms on them. And when you put them on, you make a wish, and when the thread rubs off and it breaks, then your wish comes true. So it's super cute, and you get 2 of them each month, so you can choose to keep both, or you can keep one and gift another to one of your friends or family members. And then you also get other items each month as well, and there is always a theme. I am not sure what the August theme is yet, but we will soon find out when I open up the box. But before we get to the unboxing portion of the video, I just want to remind you all that I do have 2 giveaways going on. So there's a 6,000 subscriber giveaway, as well as a smaller giveaway that is in my collaboration video with Southern Yankee. So those are both linked down below. If you haven't entered, I definitely encourage you to do so. But anyways, let's get into the box. I think I forgot to mention the price. It is about $11.95 per month, and this is one you can purchase through Cratejoy. So of course I will leave the link down below. So now that we have that all out there, let's get unboxing. So here's what it looks like when I open the box. Got some yellow swigglies, and then there is a little card on top, and it says, "Hello, this month's theme is friendship. Friends are so important in our lives. I cherish mine. The goodies in this box give you the opportunity to share with your friends. Let them know how much you care. As always, please leave a review." And then it gives their Cratejoy site, which again, I'm leaving down below, but that's so cute. And I want to be cheesy for a minute, but I consider all of you guys my friends, and I really do cherish and love you. So thank you so much for your love and support. I feel like I should say that more to you guys. You guys are awesome. But yeah, let's get into what else is in the box before I keep being so cheesy. The first thing is some stickers. Oh my god, these are so cute. These are perfect for summer. There's like seashells, bathing suits, sunglasses. These are awesome. And then we have the wish bracelets, and it also comes with some envelopes in case you want to ship out your bracelets to a friend, so that's really convenient. So let's look at the first one. They are both different, so that's cute. The first one says, "Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there." That's so cute. And it says, "The idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true." Isn't that so cute? You can see there's like a little star, and then it's blue thread. I really like that. So cute. And then the next one says, "You are more than just my friend, you are my best friend." And the little charm says BFF on it, and it says, again, the idea of a wish bracelet. I won't go over that again, but it says what it does, or what the meaning is on the bottom. So if you do ship this out to someone, they will know. Isn't that so cute? So those are the 2 wish bracelets for the month. And then it always comes with this little easel, so if you want to display your bracelet, you can do that. This is super cute. So this is like pulls back. You can also include this in your gift if you want. I think that would fit in the envelope. So I'm not opening these right now because I think I will gift them to some friends because they're so cute. And then we have a decent amount of other little goodies to go with our theme. So, oh cool, this is an alphabet stamp set, 30 pieces. This is cool. This is by Mrs. Sparkle & Co. So you can stamp things. I think there's some ink in here as well. So maybe you can like stamp your envelopes. So if you send them to a friend, or really you can do it with any craft. So this has 30 pieces like I already said. So there's like itty bitty letters. That's so cute. And let's look at what kind of ink we have. So it looks like there's pink. You know, I'm a pink girl. Pink and green. So this is by L. Sushine House. I'm probably saying that wrong. We have 2 different inks here. So the pink and the green, fun summer colors. So we can use that with our stamp set. That's awesome. Oh my god, and we have the cutest pen in here as well. This is a dark blue Happy Day, it says on it. So it's got like a pink polka dot print, and then like a blue plaid top. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love like cute little stuff like this. So you can use this to write on your card as well. And then just like a normal pen, let's see what it writes like. Oh, it writes in blue ink. So I just wrote on the box to double check. So this is such a cute pen, I love it. Then we have some washi tape, and this has cute little birds on it. It's blue, and it has like a pretty tree and different colored birds. So you can use those like stickers and this in your planner, or you can do whatever you want with it. There's so many uses for this stuff. I've gotten a lot of washi tape in the past. I wasn't sure what to do with it exactly, so I looked up some YouTube videos and got some good ideas. This is always fun to have, and the print is so pretty. And then, oh, it talks about the easel that came inside. So let me read what this says. It says, the enclosed easel is included in your first subscription box to display the cards as a work of art so that the wish bracelets come on. Please adjust the easel so that it stands correctly. Okay, so I might have misspoke earlier, so you don't get it in every box, you get it in your first box, because then you can reuse it. So, awesome. And then the last three things are treats. How fun. So we have Tootsie Roll Pop. I have not had one of these in a hot minute. We've got some Smarties. And an Airhead in orange. I used to love Airheads when I was a kid. So this box is cute. So again, we get these two wish bracelets. And I've looked on the Etsy page before, so she has an Etsy shop, the same owner who does the subscription box, and I think these sell for like $4.99 each or something like that. So this is like the main portion of the box. We have two of these. And then we have the easel, which again you get with your first box. This cute alphabet stamp set. I don't have anything like this, so this is good to have. I've been kind of creating I've been organizing all my stuff recently, and I have like all my craft stuff together, so I can add that to it. And to go with that, we have the two ink pads, so the pink and the green. Then we have some washi tape. Very cute pen, I love it. And then our little treats. And of course the stickers, I almost forgot. These stickers are great. So that is everything that came in the friendship box. So again, I will leave Sprinkles and Wishes website down below if you're interested, along with my giveaway links. Anyways, thank you guys all so much for being here and unboxing with me, and thank you for your friendship. I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.